What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. Following on from the Porn Star Martini, today's cocktail for the bank holiday weekend is the Pouring Star, and you will see the difference between the two. So for the Pouring Star, you use a champagne glass. So before we build this cocktail, guys, put your ice to the shaker, which we'll do right now. And the first ingredient to go into this shaker, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of lemon juice. Right, the next ingredient to go in, guys, is 57.5ml or 1 1/4 ounce of passionfruit puree. Because we're using the Rail brand. Because it does have some useful cocktails if you want to download the app, their ABM cocktail app. Right, and the last ingredient to go into the shaker, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. Put your lid on and give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. Oh yeah. I get your champagne flute and straight into it. And the last thing we want to do now is fill up with Prosecco to complete the Pouring Star. Oh, beautiful, that song. Beautiful. There's your close up of the Pouring Star, because it's got a nice little froth with it with the Prosecco. Right, to garnish the Pouring Star, guys, get a passion fruit or a lemon wheel. We're using the passion fruit. There you go, guys, the Pouring Star. There we go, guys, that is the Pouring Star cocktail. So how does it taste? Imagine it tastes a lot like the Porn Star Martini. It's similar how I would imagine it, because with Porn Star Martini, it's certainly got that sweetness of the passion fruit mixed in with the puree and the Prosecco as well, like gives it that fizziness. But it's an absolutely beautiful cocktail, and that's how I imagine the Porn Star Martini would taste, mixed in with Prosecco. Knowing you get a shot, that's how I imagine it would taste. But it's certainly a lovely cocktail. I would recommend it, the Pouring Star cocktail. And that is all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktail videos like this. And I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers. And the last thing to complete the Porn Star. Right. Compose yourself, boy, compose yourself.